Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this pretty granny square. You can enlarge that as much as you like and you can make any projects with that. I made this with Ollie's Baby Best yarn and crochet number 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use any yarn and any hook you want. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch into first chain to form a ring. Okay, chain 1. For round 1 I make 8 single crochets into the ring. So insert my hook into the ring and make a single crochet, 2, 3, 4, okay, join with slip stitch to first single crochet. And now for round 2 I make a beginning cluster, chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert my hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert my hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and chain 1. This is the beginning cluster. Okay, chain 2 and I'll make a cluster in next stitch. So yarn over, insert my hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat this work 3 more times. Yarn over, insert my hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. One more time. And the last time. Okay, I have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and then chain 1, chain 2 and make a cluster into next stitch. I have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 1, chain 2 and repeat this sequence 5 more times until the end of the round. I'll make a cluster in each stitch and then chain 2. Repeat until the end. At the end of the round 2 I have 8 clusters. Join with slip stitch in top of beginning cluster. Now I want to start round 3, so slip stitch into next chain 2 space and make a beginning cluster in same space, so chain 2, yarn over, insert my hook into the space, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert my hook in same space, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat one more time. Okay, I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and chain 1. Okay, now chain 2, and again I make a cluster in same space. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and chain 1. I make a cluster in next space, so chain 2 and insert my hook into next space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1, then chain 2 and make another cluster in same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1, then chain 2. I repeat this sequence until the end. I'll make a cluster in next space, then chain 2, and again I make a cluster in same space and then chain 2. So I make cluster, chain 2, then another cluster, chain 2 in each space until the end of the round. At the end of round 3, I have 16 clusters and 16 chain 2 spaces. Okay, slip stitch in top of first cluster, and now I want to start round 4. I'll slip stitch into next space, chain 1 and single crochet in same space, then chain 5 and make another single crochet in same space, and the first corner loop is made, chain 2 and single crochet in next space, chain 5, skip next space and make a single crochet in next space, then chain 2. I make a single crochet in next space, chain 5 and another single crochet in same space, and this is the second corner loop. Then chain 2, single crochet in next space, chain 5, skip next space and single crochet in next, chain 2. Okay, then I repeat this sequence 2 more times until the end. I made 4 corner loops, and now join with slip stitch in first single crochet. For round 5, slip stitch into first corner loop, and now I make a beginner cluster in this corner loop. So chain 2, yarn over, insert my hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat this 2 more times. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all of them and chain 1. Chain 2 and make a cluster in same corner loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1 and then chain 2. Okay, I make 2 double crochet in next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. And 7 half double crochet in next chain 5 space. Again, make 2 double crochet in next chain 2 space, and one side of our square is finished. And for second side, chain 2 first and make a cluster into next corner loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 2 and make another cluster in same corner loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in chain 2 space, 1 and 2. I make 7 half double crochet in next chain 5 space, and make 2 double crochet in next chain 2 space, and repeat this sequence 2 more times. For each of next 2 corner loops, I make 2 chains, 1 cluster, 2 chains, and another cluster in same corner loop, and I'll make 2 double crochet in each of chain 2 spaces, and 7 half double crochet in each chain 5 space, and repeat until the end. At the end of round 5, I make 2 chains and join with slip stitch in top of beginning cluster. Now for round 6, slip stitch into corner space between 2 clusters here and make a beginning cluster, chain 2, yarn over, insert my hook into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat this sequence 2 more times. Chain 2 and make another cluster in same corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through all of loops on the hook. Chain 2 and double crochet in next chain 2 space, then double crochet in every stitch, double crochet in 2 double crochets and 7 half double crochets and 2 double crochet. Then make a double crochet in chain 2 space, okay, and then chain 2, make a cluster in corner loop, chain 2 and make another cluster in same corner, then chain 2, make a double crochet in chain 2 space, then 1 double crochet in every stitch and 1 double crochet in next chain 2 space, and then repeat this sequence 2 more times. At the end of row 6, join with slip stitch into beginning cluster and fasten off. Our square is finished. If you would like a bigger square, you may repeat round 6 until desired size. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like my video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.